What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for dropping by and it's it's rainy season here and just for a change just came out to review the recently released Tamil movie. There is always something unique and change that comes from the Tamil movie industry, and I think sooner or later once the Bollywood will make a remake of this one, everybody will appreciate it. So I'm here with my family. Thank you so much for being here. Kindly like, share, and subscribe, and let's review the movie. Since it's directorial debut of the director Santana Murthy, so I think there are flaws or some weakness that are always there. So we should accept it without criticizing more what the plot is all about. But the cast is perfect, but the story just went missing in action, and especially as the movie moves further, the plot becomes so predictable. Lakshmi looks beautiful in the uniform. She plays the role of inspector. She assumes her charge and she handles the mystery murder case. The plot is beautiful. I don't say it is not good because it is totally changed, totally different. But the thing is that the writer and director they were unable to do the justice with all the other cast and characters that they included. That even the fluffy cute dog, and especially the movie of the name is on him, Danny or Danny, I don't know how to say that one. The foundation of the story was based very well because as the movie started with a good suspense and soon become so predictable. The movie name is Danny, which was a dog in the movie. Title has nothing to do with the dog. All the characters' role were incomplete. That's why the plot was good, but the writer didn't do the justice with all the characters, and there was no correlation or connection between one scene to another. So that's why a little bit of humor and other things are added as a filler. Varalakshmi trying to save that guy who was suspected and he is behind bars. Varalakshmi thinks that he is not the guy who should be behind bars. There is more to this story. Now, this is a good clue that leads to another organic development. But the writer was confused during all this, so he just used the hope, skip, and jump approach. Other cast was not linked and they lost in action, like their dialogues and their correlations and connection, it was all omitted. And then suddenly comes Danny, the fluffy dog, sniffing where the real culprit is. Here I recall one of the old movie Jackie Shroff and the dog. I think it was Teri Meherbaniya. In that movie, they try to build a relationship with the audience of the dog, with the emotions. But here, the suspense, thriller, everything, the emotions and with the audience was not even built. There also the correlation between other cast and the story and the plot, it's all vanished. At the beginning, Varalakshmi character is the lead character, and as the story moves further, it feels like she was investigating something, but her character was totally edited. Once the dog comes and the handler comes, then the handler goes missing, and then after that, the dog keeps finding out the culprit. Overall, I think the movie is worth watching one time, but I believe one thing for sure that sooner or later Bollywood try to copy this plot, fix all the flaws, and all the scripting will be managed, and then they will try to put it on their cinemas or maybe the OTT network. One's weakness is another's strength, and I think they will try to copy this plot or maybe at least use something similar to this one, because we already know that Ajay Devgan and all these stories they came from here, and especially women in uniform, they will try to do something with it. And I hope you will like this way of review. So kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. And thank you so much for stay tuned with me. Have a great week.